Welcome to Auto Update, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles and motorcycles. In today's video, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic, a bike that perfectly blends classic style with modern performance. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a new enthusiast, this model has something for everyone. The 2025 Heritage Classic continues Harley-Davidson's legacy of crafting motorcycles that stand out, offering a unique blend of retro design and cutting-edge technology. At the heart of the Heritage Classic is its stunning retro look, featuring those signature elements that Harley enthusiasts love: classic fenders, chrome accents, and a rich, vintage-inspired color palette. But don't be fooled by its traditional appearance, because under the hood, or rather, beneath the tank, the 2025 Heritage Classic is all about modern-day power. The bike is powered by the Milwaukee 8114V twin engine, delivering impressive torque and performance, making it just as capable on highways as it is on winding roads. The engine provides a smooth, responsive ride, with plenty of power for both cruising and hitting those thrilling open stretches. One of the standout features of this year's model is the updated suspension system. Harley has introduced improved rear suspension, making the ride smoother and more comfortable, especially on longer trips. The bike's front end is equally impressive, with a new set of forks that help enhance stability and handling. These upgrades give the bike a smoother, more controlled feel, whether you're navigating city streets or enjoying a weekend ride through the countryside. Another notable feature is the new infotainment system. Harley's latest technology package includes a full-color touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, allowing riders to easily access navigation, music, and calls, all hands-free. The system also includes Bluetooth connectivity, so you can connect your helmet or other devices to stay fully connected on the road. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The 2025 Heritage Classic comes equipped with modern safety features like advanced ABS, traction control, and a responsive braking system, all designed to give riders the confidence they need on any terrain. Whether you're riding in rain or shine, these features ensure a safe and stable ride, making it a great choice for those who value both performance and peace of mind. The bike's ergonomics have been fine-tuned as well. With a relaxed riding position, the 2025 Heritage Classic is ideal for long-distance cruising. The seat is plush and comfortable, providing support for those all-day adventures. And for those who want to personalize their ride, Harley-Davidson continues to offer a wide array of customization options, from handlebars to exhaust systems, ensuring that your bike matches your unique style. Of course, we can't forget about the iconic styling. The 2025 model stays true to the Heritage Classic's roots, with its retro-inspired details, chrome finish, and vintage-look leather saddlebags. The bike's design not only pays homage to Harley's rich history but also positions it perfectly for today's motorcycle enthusiasts, who want a bike that is both timeless and modern. As for pricing, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic comes with a premium price tag, reflecting its top-tier quality and performance. Depending on the trims and customizations you choose, the price may vary, but if you're after a bike that combines nostalgic style with modern technology and performance, it's definitely worth the investment. To sum it up, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic is a masterclass in combining vintage charm with state-of-the-art technology. With its stunning design, powerful engine, and modern features, this bike offers an exceptional riding experience for those who demand both style and substance. Thanks for watching this review on Auto Update. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more updates on the latest vehicles, reviews, and all things automotive. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below telling us what you think about the new Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic. Until next time, ride safe and keep your engines running. This script should fit the format of a 5-minute video, combining key features of the motorcycle with engaging commentary. Feel free to adjust the timing and content as necessary to suit your style and channel's tone.